welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Kid Troy. On today's episode, we'll be making chicken nuggets. Now before we get into this video, do you see the subscribe button over here? Yeah, click it now, click it. There you go. Now do you see this like button over here? Yeah, smash it really hard like you mean it. Smash it now. There you go. Now let's get started. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, dudes and chicks. Speaking of chicks, I think it's time for my dad to prep the chicken, and then I'm gonna fry it. So Dad, how are you gonna prep the chicken?
These are chicken tenders, and I'm taking the tendon that's connected, this connective tissue, and that's the tough piece when you bite down into a chicken. I'm just gonna kind of scrape it out of there and separate it from the meat. So I'm gonna do that for these, and then I'm gonna cut them into cubes to make the nuggets, okay? So you just wanna
Does it like connected to the bones?
Yeah, actually those tendons connect to bones, which also happen in all mammals. Anyway, see this little skin here?
Yes.
Just gonna trim that off as well. This little connective tissue is all that is. Actually, that's a nice little chunk of meat. Keep that. So I'm just trying to remove all the connective tissue, the tendons that's in the meat.
Is there still blood in it?
No. It's just, there's moisture, maybe a little bit of remnant, but.
No, like in the chicken.
No, I know what you're talking about. There's no blood in here. So here are your nuggets.
What's that red dot on that?
This right here?
Yes.
That's right. That's like blood. That's marrow from the bone when they cut the bone out of the chicken. So these are your nuggets right here, and we're gonna bread these and then fry them up. Okay. So
okay.
Those are your chicken nuggets.
My dad has finished cutting the nuggets. Now we're gonna make the egg wash. Alright fans, now we're gonna make the egg wash and then the batter. Now let me show you how to make an egg wash. There we go. What's that?
That white thing is called the chalaza. It's connected to the yolk. If it would become a chicken, it would be the embryonic sac, and it would become the umbilical cord.
Can I use it?
Yeah, we eat that.
Okay. And then a half cup of milk. Pepper. Okay.
Yeah, that's probably good. That's good.
Okay. And then salt. That's not what I meant to do. I think that's good enough.
Okay.
Now let's stir it.
Break that yolk. You're chasing it.
And that's how you make an egg wash.
All right, now let's make the batter.
Okay. So my dad said batter, but he meant to say breading. And here's how you make breading. You have flour, salt and pepper, and special blend.
What's the special blend?
It's like you have mixed either season.
Oh, just whatever seasoning you want in there?
Yep.
Okay, so you gotta tell the people what the special blend is. It's a special blend of seasonings. So my special blend is pretty much just a bunch of herbs, chili powder, paprika, little Cajun seasoning, but you can put whatever you want to in there. Some people might want lemon pepper wings or something to that regard. All right, so that's it, right?
Right.
There you go. So the breading's done. Now we got to get it on the nuggets.
Yep. Now let's fry the nuggets. Wet hand, dry hand.
I see you remember the wet hand, dry hand. You want to get some more nuggets? Grab some more nuggets out of there.
All right.
Matter of fact, put half of those nuggets in there.
All right. More?
Yeah, put some more.
All right.
There you go. Make sure it's good and coated. All right. Let's start dredging them.
Let them drip. That should probably be enough. Wait, there's still more coming.
All right. Let's stop. Let's go.
All right.
Drop it in there.
And now let's use our breading. There we go.
There you go. Now you can start getting them. Go ahead and break them up. Coat them. Separate the nuggets.
Yep.
Toss them around.
Now we're gonna fry them. Alright. That should be enough. Now let's place them right in here. And let it do all the work. I'm gonna put some more in it.
Let's go. All right, now that's enough. Now get that down, submerge it. Submerge it, put it down in there. We'll let these cook and we'll be done. Let's go make the, now we just gotta make barbecue sauce and honey mustard and ranch. So Troy, how do you know when these are done?
They kind of rise to the surface and golden brown.
Okay, but just because they're golden brown doesn't mean they're done on the inside, right?
That's true.
All right, so you gotta check them. Are they starting to float? What are they doing?
They're starting to float.
Stir them around, let me see. They really can't float, got too many of them in there. Pick a few of them up, let me see what they look like. All right, let them keep cooking.
All right.
Probably another minute and they're done.
All right.
Actually, that's too long. Probably another 30 seconds, they should be done.
Wow, these chicken nuggets look amazing, Dad. Now let's make the sauces so we can eat. All right, so first we're gonna make our barbecue sauce. Let's put that in here. A little bit more.
Just keep squirting until I tell you to stop.
Jeez.
That's good.
All right.
All right, get that grape jelly.
Okay. Tell me when to stop, please.
Yep.
Why do you need grape jelly?
It adds depth and flavor. A sweetness to it.
Yeah, okay.
Keep going until I tell you to stop. That's good.
Alright. Brown sugar.
Well, tell the people, don't tell me. What'd you just dump in there?
Brown sugar.
What are you dumping now?
Salt and pepper.
All right, start it up because you're not even dumping it on the ketchup. That's weird, dude. You should cook something weird.
I do not.
All right, get that honey over there.
Where? Alright.
Squirt some honey in here.
Tell me when to stop, please.
That's good. I can see it.
Are you done?
Hey, that's local honey too, right here in Georgia. I buy it from a guy down the street. He sells local honey.
Alright, what
It's pretty
next?
cool, huh?
What next?
Grab the chili powder. Dump that in there. Some of it, a lot of it, gingerly. Be liberal with it, man. Shake it, shake it. Shake it like a salt shaker. Shake what your mama gave you. I'm just kidding.
Is any of it coming out? Because I don't see any.
Let me see it.
I guess I gotta squeeze it.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. All right, and then a
Cajun.
little bit of Cajun seasoning, just a little bit. That's only because I like it. That's good. Hold on, wait, a little more. That's good. All right, stir that around. Here's your homemade barbecue sauce. So we'll let that cook for about 5 minutes.
All right.
All right.
All right.
Oh wait, I'm sorry. Lemon juice. Just a squirt of lemon juice.
Where is it?
I get it. Look at that. Cap full or half a cap full of lemon juice. That's it. That's all you need. Stir that bad boy around.
All right. And that was getting hot.
And if you want to counteract all that sweetness in there, you can also do like a cap full of vinegar if you want. But I don't want to because ketchup already has vinegar in it.
So now we're gonna make honey mustard dipping sauce. All you need is 2 ingredients: honey and mustard. Just use a spoon to dump the mustard. That probably should be enough. Oh wait.
Get all of it out of there. It's a 2-to-1 ratio. 2 parts mustard, 1 part honey.
Thank you. Is that enough?
You're about to spill it. All right, hurry up, let's go.
All right.
You're about to spill it, you're not paying attention.
There we go. Now let's use the honey. Just use the same spoon because it's good. You know.
Yeah, it's gonna be mixed together anyway.
Yeah. Oh.
It's not gonna come off that way, Troy.
All right. Now stir it up.
And you can make the sweetness or the tanginess as sweet or tangy as you want it. Just change the ratio if you would like. All right, that looks good. We're ready to go.
All right. So now let's plate it. This is probably about to be real good. So here's our chicken nuggets with homemade barbecue sauce, homemade honey mustard, and ranch. Now I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a comment below and share this video, please. Bye!